Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the difference between short run and long run और दूसरा बेटा है मेरा लेवल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड स्केल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. तो देखो बेटा क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्म में मैंने आपके लिए लिखा हुआ है डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन शॉर्ट रन यानी शॉर्ट पीरियड एंड लॉन्ग रन मीन्स लॉन्ग पीरियड. शॉर्ट रन शॉर्ट पीरियड, लॉन्ग रन लॉन्ग पीरियड. In the short period, some factors remains fixed, land, machines, and some are variable. For example, labor and raw materials. Long run में बेटा, in the long period, all the factors of production will become variable. यानी the difference between fixed factor and variable factor disappears in the long run, which I have discussed earlier. In the short period, production can be increased only by increasing variable factor. In the long run, production can be increased by increasing all factors, whether it may be a fixed factor or variable factor. Third beta, in the short period, production can be increased up to the maximum capacity of the firm since fixed factors cannot be increased. And in the long run, production can go from 0 to infinity since all factors become variable. बेटा ये पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको फ्लो चार्ट में बताया हुआ था. Now students, based on this concept only, we have the distinguish between level of production and scale of production. As I have already told you beta, कि difference between level of production, scale of production, short run, long run, fixed factor, variable factor, almost it is similar, but you have to present according to the situation. Let us see. Now बेटा level of production and scale of production. अब देखते हैं फ्लो चार्ट में बेटा. Level of production applies in the short period. Scale of production applies in the long period. It can be changed by changing the quantity of variable factors like raw materials, labor, fuel, electricity, etc. It can be changed by changing all factors since in the long run all factors become variable. Or third beta, level of production can go up to the maximum total capacity of the firm. Scale of production can be increased from 0 to infinity in the long run. As I have already discussed, level of production up to maximum capacity of the firm. और बेटा इन केस ऑफ स्केल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आप फिक्स फैक्टर वेरिएबल फैक्टर दोनों चेंज कर सकते हो, तो प्रोडक्शन कैन बी इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 0 टू इन्फिनिटी. नाउ बेटा अंडर प्रोडक्शन चैप्टर वी हैव थ्री कॉन्सेप्ट. फर्स्ट इज टीपीपी, second is APP, third is MPP, and I will discuss one by one. So first let us understand what is TPP. What is total product or total physical product, TPP, or total returns. This is very important concept. Total physical product defines the total output at a particular level of employment of an input when the employment of all other inputs is unchanged. In short period, अब बेटा देखो what does it mean? TPP means total volume of goods produced and services rendered. That's it. In short period, total physical product can be increased by increasing variable factors of production. And in the long period, this can be achieved by increasing all the factors of production. So it is very simple. So भाई शॉर्ट रन में आप सिर्फ वेरिएबल फैक्टर चेंज कर सकते हो, तो लॉन्ग रन में दोनों चेंज कर सकते हो. तो इट हैज बीन ऑब्जर्व दैट टीपीपी जनरली registers an increase with the increase in the factors of production, but to a limited extent only. There is a tendency of TPP increasing at a increasing rate, then at a constant rate, and finally at a decreasing rate. And this is the typical features of TPP. What we say that TPP increases at an increasing rate, remains constant, and finally declines. TPP is illustrated with the help of the below schedule and curve. अब बेटा शेड्यूल और कर्व देख लेते हैं. मान लेते बेटा लेबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. अब टीपीपी देखो बेटा 4 10 18 24 28 30 30 28. ये शेड्यूल मैंने आपको लर्न करने का मेथड सिखाया हुआ था. वंस अगेन आई विल डिस्कस हियर. तो अगर आप बेटा देखो टीपीपी का जो फीचर है, इट लुक्स लाइक ए हॉकी स्टिक, है ना, बट यू विल नॉट राइट हॉकी स्टिक, बट इट लुक्स लाइक ए हॉकी स्टिक. अब बेटा इसमें देखो लेबर यूनिट्स टीपीपी. इन दिस फिगर units of labor are shown on x-axis and TPP is shown on the y-axis. At the units of labor are increased. जैसे जैसे हम लेबर बढ़ रहे TPP is also increasing. TPP is also increasing. But increases is not always equal. If the initial stage it is increasing, then it remains constant, and at last it is decreasing, So students, this was all related with the TPP, and in the next video we will discuss APP and MPP. Thank you.